Hi guys, so today I'm sharing with you this cute little gadget by CONAIR. It's a fabric shaver. Oh my god, I just love this whole cute, design, the shape, how compact it is, really lightweight to handle. So guys, what this does, this is, as the name suggests, a shaver, but not for your body. I would use it for like any kinds of fabric, so be it like my pullovers, cardigans, blazers, all sorts of woolen clothing, and even for like upholstery, bed sheets, linen and whatnot. And guys, what this does, this just like effortlessly sucks out, removes all sorts of lint, pills or any fuzz from all these fabrics. Also, this is really simple to understand and use, battery operated, so it's not like you need to find a plug. This works with the AA batteries. You need 2 of them, and this is like a simple mechanism. This thing comes out, the batteries go in here, and there is an on and off switch, very clearly visible. You can change the settings. There are 3 settings: small, medium, large, or you could understand them as like low, medium and high. So this is the on off button, and you have 3 settings here which you can change, these lines. So I've put it on the maximum setting, but you can change these. So I'm just going to hit the on button. So guys, this one is the fuzz collector, just very easy to pull out. Actually, it just comes out like this. You can see the fuzz there, and if you want to put it back, just like put it back and it's all set. Alright guys, that's all from my side for today. I'll see you again with yet another useful video. Bye bye.